It's the one, the only. Check it out. I got a new lawnmower in the back. Yeah, it's a little bunny rabbit, and he's eating big leaves of grass over there. See his ears sticking up. I don't want to interrupt him. I mean, as soon as I get out the car, he's going to run because his ears are up and he's already kind of spooked. But see him? He's cute. Well, he might be a she. I don't know. Look at him walking. He's jumping this way. Look at him. That's him. He's eating them big things of lettuce. I don't know lettuce, but I don't know what it is. Big weeds. He's chewing them up, though. He's having a field day on them. There he is. Little bunny rabbit. That's about it. I don't think it's going to get much more entertaining than this, so I'll wrap it up. Wrap it up.